Savage family, what it do, man? What it do, man? I'm back with another video. Currently, I'm waiting on my boy Ant. My boy Ant gonna push up on me. I'm recording from the phone right now. I'm a little lazy. I know I'm a little lazy, but my boy Ant finna push up on me, and so I don't know if y'all know this or not, but Miss Savage Speed, her dream car is a Camaro, right? And like I told y'all, we've been working on it to go ahead and try to get that, push the envelope or whatnot. So could have been bought it for her, but it wouldn't mean nothing if she don't work for it, you know what I mean? So that's a different ball game. But my homie Ant finna push up in his Camaro so she could see how it feels, so she could test drive it. We actually went to a lot and they told us we gotta give them our social security and all that stuff. So they gotta run your credit basically. And we ain't finna have you run our credit just so we could test drive a whip. You know what I mean? Like I done drove Vets and Hellcats, all that stuff. I ain't had to, you know what I mean, to test drive it, bro. That's BS, bro. So it's all good. But my boy Ant finna push up right now, and we're gonna do a little test drive. It's gonna be good though, cause she actually in the market to buy, and it's getting closer to that time. You know what I mean? So that's a good thing. Tesla in the background, bro. Let me tell y'all something. These tires that I put on here, bro. These tires that I put on here, bro, I didn't think that they was gonna be that good. And I'm see, like, can y'all see this? Like, these Michelins, bro, and they look at the tuck. Look at the tuck, bro. Like, the tuck look real good, bro. Like, it's hot too. It's hot as Satan ass out here, but look at the tuck, bro. The tuck look like beautiful, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, do y'all see that fitment? Come on now. Come on now. Like, and the way this car drives now, bro, like, the way it drives is ridiculous, bro. Like, I forgot how fast this car is, bro, because the other tires were spinning. They were so bad. Y'all want to see the other tires? Let me show y'all the other tires. These are the other tires, y'all. You know what I mean? They was done a long time ago. You know what I mean? But, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So these was done a long time ago. They was way overdue time replacement. Crazy enough though, I don't drive this car a lot. It just got so much power, and when it's going, y'all know how that go. You know what I mean? But with all due respect, we're gonna wait for Ant to get here, and yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. She don't even know he's coming today. You know what I mean? She know that I was supposed to be setting it up, but she don't know he's coming today. So he's actually on the way. She in the shower right now, so she don't know nothing. So it's gonna be good to put a smile on her face. You know what I mean? She love Camaros that much, and I know how it is when you got a dream car that you want so bad. You looking up every video you can see, every picture, every time you see one, you liking it on Instagram. I know how I feel, bro. So I be excited, bro, to give people that same joy. Like, just keeping it a buck. But I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm waiting on him to get back. Y'all see B. Y'all see the Fox body. I might just drive B, man. I might have to take Ant on a ride, bro, because this car, bro. But damn. And look, y'all, look. If y'all think this is going to be ugly or not, right? What I want to do to it, I think I want to add the black stripes. Like, stripes on both sides. I actually want to have, like, red pinstriping on the side of it. And then I want to black out the mirrors. Then I want to, the Brembos right here, I want to reverse it. Right now the Brembo say red and the caliber is black. I think I want to have the Brembo itself red, and I mean the caliber itself red and the Brembo black. Or some yellow in there, I don't know. But I definitely want mirrors black. I thought about changing the spoiler. I got a whole nother spoiler in the garage right now, but I think I'm gonna keep this little spoiler on here, bro, and just have it black, bro. So y'all let me know how y'all think this gonna look. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep the roof wrap gloss black. I'm gonna actually redo the roof because as y'all can see, it's kind of wear and tear. You know what I mean? So it just happened from over time, from going through the seasons and heating up and getting cold again. So it's just about time to go ahead and redo that. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the tires, the Michelins, the wrap, the stripes, everything that I'm thinking about doing. Y'all let me know. But right now, by B looking good. Yes, sir. I might take Ant on a ride though. I gotta take Ant on a ride. I don't think he rode in this car with me, so that's gonna be fun, y'all. Hey, come on. Huh? You went through the garage?
Like my pants?
No mind.
I know. Hey, Alice.
That bit loud, bro. That bit loud. When last time you got in the backseat of your own car, brother? Never. Yeah, you see how bad it is now, don't you? Cause you told me to get in the front seat, so we. Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
Like right now.
Yeah.
Can he get up the hill first?
No. He already in the back seat. Come on. You got it.
You get up the hill first?
You just going in reverse. Oh, foot on the brake. Oh, you gotta go up some. We gotta go up a lot, Ashley. You
can raise it all the way up
make sure you can see and you comfortable, because you wrecking this man's car in the option.
I don't even wreck my own car. I'm gonna go slow.
This is not your car though. This got what, triple the horsepower?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
scared.
yeah, it's 100 right
Okay. I need to.
Foot on the brake.
now.
Press the start button. Press the start button.
I don't think. Hold on. And put it in reverse.
Do we need to roll the windows down? Is the air on? Like,
It's up to y'all if y'all want to.
Yeah, it don't matter. Just not too much wind, but yeah.
okay.
Do your thing.
Put all the way on the brake.
Your car roll when it go forward or no?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling her, to put her foot
It
all
roll
the way on the
fast?
brake.
Nah.
No, just smash your foot on the brake.
It's on there.
All right, and put it in reverse. All right.
All right,
Let off the brake.
Yeah.
and give it some gas.
Yeah. Don't give it a lot of gas. Just give it a little.
It's scraping.
Yeah, go.
Go. Yeah, and you can't come down here no more. I mean, it's the rubber part, but still, you know. Oh.
These mirrors.
So, Aunt, what all you got? Well, what are you willing to tell them what you got done to the car?
Just headers in its own.
I'm gonna let
That
you
is
go
in its
first
own.
'cause I'm scared.
That boy look hot, boy. Let's cut on the AC.
Yeah, just press the blast it.
Can y'all teach me how to do a burnout?
Not in this.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. Let's see what you got. What you see? Drive it normal first, God.
I'm
What the
scared.
hell wrong with her? Ain't you trying to hit that bit? Like, drive it normal first.
This is normal.
Hey, that was normal? Aunt, that was normal?
She wanna feel it.
Let me put my damn seatbelt on.
Okay, where we going?
Nah, you the driver. Left, go left.
I'm nervous. My hands sweating. I'm just
Hold on.
sweating. Okay.
You can go after this car.
No, I'm not ready yet. Hold on.
You acting like you can't drive at all,
Because
man.
I need to
Like,
make sure like nothing's coming before I get up there.
I just told you. You don't trust me?
I do, but I don't want to mess up the car. Y'all, we should have went to a car meet or something. So they can see.
It is 12:56 a.m. What is she?
Alright,
What p.m.?
Okay,
Go
okay.
ahead.
Hit it.
Huh?
Hit it.
Y'all ready?
Hit it. I can tell you the floor.
I
like 3/4 in the neighborhood. But when you hit the road with all the space, you don't want to hit it.
They're trying to race.
They not trying. All right, not on this curve. Not on this curve. All right, you ready? You ready? Hit it
Yeah.
right. Hit it.
I floored it that time.
Huh?
I floored it that time. I feel it.
You think she floated that time?
Yeah.
I think you kind of tapping it. Like, you kind of flowing it, but you're not flowing it. Like, I feel like you. She kind of. I don't know. It is small in here though. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
Oh shoot. Oh, it's still yellow. It is like small in here. Like this would definitely have to be a car that I drive by myself. I mean, one passenger is fine, but when it starts to get to like family, I can't.
you want me to go up something?
No, you good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, this wireless charger right here.
Yeah.
That's hard. They well quality built though. I would tell her play with the pedal shifters, but I don't think she gonna ready with all that.
I did it in your car before.
I can. You didn't master it though. Like,
What car was I in?
you was in a Hellcat.
Oh. Where am I going? I don't know where I'm
I
going.
don't know. We far enough though. We probably turn around.
Turn around?
What?
Okay. Hit it.
Yeah.
All the way. Yeah. Yeah. She started off kind of. I thought she downshift. I was about to say, boy.
Did you heard that?
The car did that for you, but yeah. I thought you did it. It feel good though, bro. Your car feel good as far as like how it goes. Like
How I downshift? What that supposed to mean?
another day.
I want to learn everything right now.
Some stuff you just learn in your car though. Feel me? She trying to pat on niggas, but she trying to pat. Like if I hop in it, I'm gonna show you how to drive it.
Okay, you gonna drive it next?
Swap out.
You want me to drive it?
Right here?
Swap out.
Oh.
Wonder.
Is that 12? No, I had a vet, so we pretty much had the same. Yeah.
I'm not all the way strapped down here. Okay.
Let me see how late your response is first. Okay. It's just like the vet. How it take a little minute to.
Yeah, exactly.
Cause I had to make sure before I hit it, I ain't want to think it was going that fast. Yeah. Just see how it is first.
Go.
Nah, I don't do it around no curve. That's pretty good. That's short shift because I'm still not 100% safe with it. Because you know exactly how it shifts. So I short shift it a little bit. Shift it not. Alright. How I feel like having somebody else drive it though. Like you actually, cause you know when you driving, you know the.
I don't do the manual. I mean, I do it sometimes, but I usually just let the computer do it.
Oh word?
Yeah, I just let the computer do it.
But you gotta do that manual, bro. That's how you win on races right there. You for real?
Let the computer do it. It's in the tune, so
Oh,
feel it more in the back seat.
Oh yeah. It make you smile. Yeah, alright. I want to hit it from first.
Yeah,
I'm
slow
okay.
down.
Huh?
Slow down.
Nah, I don't want to do it on the jet.
Oh, okay. Once you hit it.
Like that. I see what
Yeah.
you're saying.
So if I'm doing a roll, I gotta tap on the gas to get it going.
Yeah, get the transmission.
Yeah.
To know where it's
Instead of doing it like that.
good.
Yeah,
I'm making sure you. I'm making sure.
chilling, man.
You know how to drive manual?
Oh yeah.
You gonna drive B? He said, well, why you scared?
No, cause I'm gonna drive slow. I ain't gonna drive it like you drive.
I ain't driving like, you know what I mean? We gonna drive the same, I think. Your first gear do feel good though. I can do that all day. Trans temperature. Right when I finna hit it. Your car loud. That's fun. I ain't gonna lie, that's fun. Alright, I'm done.
That give me a headache. An instant one.
For real? Let me stop. Man, your car fast, bro. Your car faster than B.
You said what?
Your car faster than B.
I don't know about that, man.
What you mean?
I don't know about that.
Come on, bro. Your car faster than B. It's a little bit faster than my vet. I don't know, Ant. It may be right there or a little bit faster than how the vet was.
Y'all never raced?
Yeah.
We did road. Well, we were just bullshit. But that's the first time we rode was when I was.
Yeah, you didn't have nothing done. Yeah.
I was still.
Yeah. You know, when you race the bros, you don't put that on. I don't put it on the channel, especially when it's just fun roads.
When I get my Camaro, you gonna race me?
Whatever.
Alright.
He gonna do you so bad.
I mean, so just long as you don't expose me like that, but just best believe when I get up to the point where I know what I'm doing, I'm being Killer B.
I ain't gonna lie. I almost just broke up with you. You said that disrespectful stuff.
Break up.
Don't come out there. That was disrespectful. Y'all heard what she just said? I ain't gonna
I'm
repeat it.
telling you, it's gonna be. We're finna have two of the. I don't know how to say this. Never mind.
The fastest cars in the city. That's what you gonna say? I hope you weren't gonna say that. You gonna say that?
I didn't want to word it to where people like, oh my God, she just said that.
Oh yeah, they gonna hold you to it too.
Yeah.
We finna have two good looking cars in one driveway.
Okay. Well, let's try to get to the driveway then.
I ain't even got my car yet.
No, let's try to get this one to the driveway.
Oh, we about to go. Y'all ready right now?
Yeah, we ready.
Okay.
I can't believe you don't use them pedal shifters like that. Just then, do you feel a difference in the pedal shifter?
I mean, it's because I'm in the back seat, so I'm gonna feel it more than y'all feel it.
Oh yeah. I want to try it, but I'm scared.
But it only does that when it's in park.
Five. Y'all car 5.
And it's sunroof.
Wait, hold on. You know what? I never knew he had this. Like, cause I was looking at it from the outside, but you know how like most well, that's probably because they have it open. You can just see it.
Yeah.
But I didn't really. I told you to the point where I'm not looking in the inside. It just looks so good, so I'm just.
And then the lights.
I didn't really see that he had this.
What is this called? The sun visor. If you open it up, like try to open up the sun Sun visor. Like if you want to look at yourself in the mirror.
Wait, what I supposed to press?
No, the sun visor.
Oh, this?
Yeah, like open it up like you're looking at yourself. Look how the lights cut off.
Oh, yeah. They dim at first.
Yeah.
It's really a female car. I ain't gonna lie to you, Aunt. It's really meant for a female.
Okay, be honest. Y'all can see me in this car. Like, if y'all didn't know me and I pulled up, would y'all be like, oh, that's her car? Or y'all be like, no, that ain't her car.
Yeah.
That's somebody else's car.
It'd be your car. You driving.
What would you think?
Depends on what color it is.
If it's this color, like just as is, and I put up to the gas station.
Yeah.
I don't think the color should matter.
Certain colors just give you that manly look, and you know.
Yeah, red.
You trying to race? Let's go. All right. Y'all ready?
Yes. Are you?
Tap the button.
Oh, I was supposed to put the seats back. So
No, that's good. I got memory seats.
I get Aunt a follow on Instagram. Yeah, Ant for my name, 2S, 2SS, B4, because it used to. Alright, y'all, Savage Gang, that's going to wrap it up for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of us actually doing a test drive of the Camaro. We are interested in buying a Camaro, and, well, it's mainly her. She's interested in buying a Camaro, right?
yes.
So,
Interested.
so that's what we're looking at right now. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and that's one of the cars that we're looking at, man. I told y'all it's 3 cars that we're looking at, so y'all stay tuned. That's one of the cars. We test driving. We going out. We trying to spend some guap, ain't we? Yeah, draw that bag. Draw that bag. But that's it, man. I ain't gonna talk too much. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here. Yes, sir.
I came up on Clayco, I blew up on Clayco. I came up.